Hello everybody, today we make lemon ricotta con fettuccine pasta. For the ingredient we got pecorino cheese, fettuccine, I need just lemon, parsley, fresh ricotta. Okay, now the water boil, let's put salt, 1, 2 teaspoons, and this is the pasta, the fettuccine, and let's put it in the water. We give a little turn for the pasta. Okay, now we gotta start with the ricotta. We put these parts of the ricotta, after one time the fettuccine is cooked, we mix everything together. And this is really fresh ricotta. And we start to mix the ricotta. Now, I do the ricotta. Make sure you don't got no gas. Because you got a gas, you cook the ricotta in come frittata. It gotta be nice, loose like that. Okay, from now, we start to put a little black pepper. And we use a little salt. And we mix it again. Now this is so easy recipe, okay, it tastes so good. Okay, look at that, a nice one, it's a fresh ricotta. Look at that. Oh, gotta make sure that this, it gotta be really, really loose, you see? And you gotta use a lot of water. Now still, we leave it cook the pasta, the water gotta be a little thick with the starch. Okay, now we like to put a little zest lemon on the ricotta. Got over here, look. Look there. It's really, really good. And now we give a little turn for the pasta. And we start to take a little water. And we put it right over here, and we turn the ricotta, because we gotta make a little more thin, because the ricotta is too thick. And we put a little more. We gotta make it nice and creamy. A little more water. Okay, and for now we give turn. Okay, look good. Okay, now we start with the little pecorino cheese. Alright, and we give a nice turn. Look how beautiful now. Now it comes the creamy. Okay, now let's use a little parsley. And we mix all together. Oh, look how beautiful color now. Now it come. See, now it's ricotta green. Good. Okay, now I gotta drain the pasta, gets ready. But before I throw away the water, make sure to keep more water, okay, maybe you need. Okay? And we put this water over here on the side. That's how I gotta use. Now we turn the gas off of the pasta and let's drain the pasta. And make sure to leave it run cold water on the sink, okay, you don't want to break the pipe. It's the pasta. We make sure to drain. And we put it right over here. Okay, good. And we mix everything. It looks nice cremosa. Now we got more cheese. And we mix. You see how nice? I hope somebody make this, it's delicious. And to make a little bit more, we use a little bit more parsley, and we make it so delicious. Look at that. Oh, okay. my fettuccine con ricotta ready. And now it's time of the test. Oh, look nice. Okay. And I like to put a little bit more cheese. Good. Hey, a little green. No. Okay. Now. The ricotta, it's a really good taste. It tastes so good with the pecorino cheese, the lemon, and the ricotta. Really good. And up this, what do you need? I don't want somebody say, Pasquale, where is your wine? I got my wine. Okay. With this dish, with the Sauvignon Blanc, it's really good. Chin chin e salute. Oh, really good.